it's a great feeling to attain success at a young age, and with getting success is only when you learn how to handle success, and uske pehle to you don't know what to do, but I think me and Amala are handling this really well, and we are on the way to even more madness and even more craziness, but we're getting a lot of love and a lot of support from our fans, and I think it's all because our music is being loved, and we're working hard on it, and that's all that I want to do. Get out good music and something that touches people's hearts.
What do you want on?
Success is something that comes with great difficulty. I know it. I've seen my whole family, जो composers की एक सदियाँ रह चुकी है, from my grandfather, अनु मलिक जी, dad, डब्बू मलिक, सब लोग ने अपने उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं, तो I don't take it too seriously. I'm happy कि मेरे गाने पसंद आ रहे हैं, मेरे choice of singers जो मैं चुन रहा हूँ, people are finding that interesting. Lyrics सिर्फ हमारे काम से है, तो जब आपको ये लगने लगता है कि नहीं मैं तो बन चुका हूँ और सब मेरे से प्यार करते हैं, बट आई थिंक हमारे काम से प्यार है. नन ऑफ द पीपल हु लव आवर वर्क माइट दे मे बी टुमारो दे माइट लव अस, अगर हमें जानेंगे दे माइट लव अस एज पर्सन्स ऑल्सो, बट वो हमसे नहीं हमारे काम से प्यार करते हैं. जो एक एक्टर के साथ भी है, लोग उस इमेज से प्यार करते हैं, उस इंसान को अब तक कोई नहीं जानता. तो मैं ये ज़्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लेता हूँ, सिर्फ काम करता हूँ कि एंड आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मेरा नेक्स्ट गाना मेरे प्रीवियस गाने से और बेटर हो एंड और बेटर हो.
एंड हमारे पापा ने हमें ट्रेनिंग दी है सक्सेस के बारे में भी कि यू हैव टू आइडेंटिटीज, वन इज दैट ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट, एंड वन दैट यू आर एट होम एंड विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड योर फैमिली, and one that is outside is Arman Malik, and one that's home is Arman, for all friends and all families. So it's important to make that demarcation in your life and be as simple when you're back home and just with friends and family.
Getting a mentor or godfather kind of thing in glamour industry is good.
Yeah.
Do you believe that having passion, hard work,
Yeah.
and talent is more important than having a mentor or a godfather?
I think both are important, because it's important to get a great push. And even if you have great talent, if you don't have great push, you won't be able to show your talent. So it's important that you have a good mix of both. But nonetheless, the talent has to be there, and no one will push you forward or help you if you don't have that talent. And that's very important to have.
If you see Justin Bieber also, he's
Yeah.
a really talented artist, but if there was no Usher, there would be no Justin Bieber. So वो एक mentor किसी का support है. Talent only makes someone become your mentor. Mentor ऐसे ही नहीं, no one.
And
will
he
want to
wouldn't take
mentor
him on if he wasn't talented.
तो एक बात है जो मे बी एक स्पार्क देखी होगी इसकी वॉइस में, मेरे म्यूज़िक में, जो उन्होंने हमारे साथ काम किया, हमें एक मौका दिया इन जय हो, एंड उसके बाद भूषण जी गिव मी अ बिग फिल्म लाइक रॉय. सो वो एक पैशन, हार्डवर्क और जो एक पावर है, दैट एंड द अग्रेशन कि मुझे करना है काम और अच्छा करना है, वो अगर नज़र आ जाती किसी एक सच इंसान में जो आपको बनाना चाहता है, तो then he will give it all, and they did give us the chance, and we've been only working towards it.
Now talking about Hate Story 3 song, तुम्हें अपना
Yeah.
बनाने की song, the song is being recreated of the 1991 Sadak song.
Yeah.
What would, if the better if there has been a new song as such, a new creation? For the
Completely. I am not a big fan of recreating anyone's music, but
But also keeping this franchise in mind,
Yeah,
as
because
you
Aaj
had
Phir
seen,
Tum Pe
Aaj
was
Phir
there.
Tum Pe was a great success from Hate Story 2.
Yeah.
And since this franchise was being taken forward, and that song was monumental for our for Hate Story 2. So it's Bhushan ji also felt that why not we follow the same
Yeah,
tradition.
see, in
and-
our industry, I think we work on formula कि
Yeah.
ये एक चीज़ चलती है, इसको चलाओ, but मैं उस फॉर्मूला से मैं रह के भी आई वांट टू डू इट माय वे. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप देखोगे तुम्हें अपना इवन आज फिर विच ऑर्को प्रावो मुखर्जी मेड, both our songs are different from the originals. Originals are great on their own level. Our songs are today's versions of those songs. तो no doubt कि इस situation पे I could have made many songs and given to Bhushan sir, and that chance came to me and I worked on it. Simple.
Right now in the interview you were telling you want to take the music to a global level.
Yeah.
So right now what is the scenario in the industry? It's very limited as such.
It is very limited, and people are, as you can see, 90% of Indian music is Bollywood.
Okay.
and 10% is, you know,
Not even 10,
indie.
5% is indie.
Yeah, but I'm just trying to make it sound good. But you know, there's only one artist who broke out.
Honey Singh.
That's Honey Singh, and you know, he made his own mark with his own music, and he was the one who came without anyone's support, without Bollywood support, on his own steam. Brown Rang was his first song, and it was a huge international hit, not an Indian hit, but an international hit. So you know, those kind of things are very important for India to go on a global level, and for singers to become huger personalities, musicians to become huger personalities than they are in our country. So I think that's my you know, dream, and I hope I can, you know, fulfill that.
Asking from both of you, are you hooked to creating just a single kind of music, means some romantic sort of music, or you are inclined to creating any kind of music given a chance?
Open to create all kinds of music, because we listen to all kinds of music, and if you're listening to all kinds of music, we want our fans to listen to our different kinds of music. So I think that's the cycle that we are working on, and you
There
know,
are many
Amal's done so many different
such
songs.
genres that are still not explored. And मैं खुद की तारीफ मैं नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बट आई विल स्टिल से नहीं बोल सकते कि ये गाना ऐसा और ये गाना उसके जैसा ही है, कोई भी नहीं है, क्योंकि आई हैव डन अ चार शनिवार विच इज़ अ मासी सॉन्ग, आई हैव डन अ सूरज डूबा विच इज़ अ क्लासी सॉन्ग, एंड आई हैव डन अ रोमांटिक सॉन्ग लाइक हीरो. सो माई थिंग इज़ इन माई हेड आई एम नॉट लिमिटेड, और ना ही मुझे लिमिट होना है. आज मेरे को सूरज डूबा जब मैंने किया था, आई हैड 10 ऑफर्स कि सर हमें एक क्लब ट्रैक दे दो, एक EDM हिट दे दो, बट आई डेंट टेक इट अप, क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट टू डू द रिपीटेड थिंग्स. आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. आई डिड हीरो, ना एवरीवन कॉल्स मी एंड सेज मेक अ लव सॉन्ग, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. व्हाट म्यूजिक आई वांट टू मेक इज व्हाट आई विल मेक. मैं किसी भी एक स्लॉट में आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू एज अ कंपोजर. जिस दिन वो हो गया, आई वोंट बी एबल टू कंपोज.
You have a background of successful family as such. Your grandfather, your father,
Yeah.
your uncle, all are successful in the industry. So has that helped you out in becoming successful as a musician or a singer?
Not at all.
Actually, if you see, you know, from our family, dad did a lot of work, but he didn't get his due success and due recognition that our uncle got, and it was equally tougher for us, because we had the names of our family, but we had to prove so much more you know, from our end. So my dad's main thing was that our you know, both me and Amal should work hard in our musical spheres, learn as much knowledge as possible, and when we come out in the industry, we should be completely armed and ready.
Prepared.
So I'm taking forward my dad's dream and unfulfilled dream, and we both are fulfilling his dream. So what we are doing right now is all for our dad.
And nowadays there is a culture of, you know, even singer being featured in the song or
Yeah.
film. So how good is it for you, the singer?
I think it's great. It's important the artists behind the song
Yeah.
also get recognition. And like I did a video for Main Hoon Hero Tera as well, and uploaded it on YouTube. So it's important that people get to know that it is
ये आवाज के पीछे ये चेहरा है.
आवाज के पीछे ये है, and also that, you know, the singers get their own recognition. And if you see worldwide, as I said, globally people are known, singers are known by their faces, but in India people are known only by their voices, but not who they are in real life. Like till a point, I used to, many people used to tell me, you know, I love Arijit Singh, but I don't know how he looks. So that's very important to change. You know, it's important that the image comes out of the singer, and you know, he becomes a big personality.
You are a composer, as you know, sometimes there are accusations कि composers जो western
Depends now. If you inspiration अगर same to same copy करने को inspiration बोलते हैं, so that's not inspiration. अगर आप किसी और की चीज़ को completely same उठा के
And फिर
इधर
अपना
दे रहे
बना
हो
रहे हो।
और अपने नाम पे बेच रहे हो, तो वो गलत है. आज मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि तुम्हें अपना बनाने का मेरा गाना है. It's not my song. It is Nadeem Shravan's song. I've only recreated, redesigned it, recomposed new antras. And मैंने अपना एक, it's like a tribute to Nadeem Shravan and Gulshan ji. I'm not doing anything.
It's as good as a cover to the original
Completely.
song.
तो वो किसी का credit लेके अगर आप कर रहे हो, like you take a song from the west of a non-famous artist but a great song and put it here and say कि मेरा गाना है, वो लॉन्ग रन में आपका नाम खराब करता है. बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि सिर्फ इंडियन करते हैं, या आप लोग कोई चुने हुए 4 म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स को ब्लेम कर दोगे कि आपने गाना प्लेजरिस्ट किया, ये किया. बट बाहर के आप देखो ना, कितने गाने ब्लैक आइड पीस एंड ऑल दीज गाइज हैव टेकन फ्रॉम बप्पी लहरी सर. आप वो नहीं देखते हो. हमारे म्यूजिक इतना रिच है कि उन लोग एक ही चीज़ घूमते रहते हैं. उन लोग सिर्फ EDM कर रहे हैं. They don't know anything more than electronic music now. There was rock, there was Enrique, there was pop, all that is dead. Now only what the West is doing is hip hop, dubstep and EDM. Where is the inspiration? आज इधर इतने गाने हैं, लुक एट द वर्क, कितने भी एक्यूजेशंस हो प्रीतम सर पे, बट उनका ओरिजिनल वर्क देख लो, ये जवानी दीवानी जैसा एक एल्बम नहीं बनाया किसी ने यहाँ. No one can make that, so you have to give a credit to the composer.
Where is due?
But
for sure.
it's important to not lift completely from someone else's work. आज no one likes it. आज मैं unestablished होता और मेरे गाने किसी बड़े composer ने लेके अपने नाम पे डाले होते, तो I would feel bad, obviously. So किसी music ना, for me, I would like to say this, मैं इतना लंबा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि music is nothing. It is just what you listen and what you feel about that.
Yeah.
आज मैं एक इंग्लिश गाने को अगर सुनूं, उसमें से मैं अपना एक ट्यून बनाऊं जो उसके जैसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो, बट इट इज एन इंस्पिरेशन. अगर वो मिलता है कंप्लीटली, तो वो चोरी होती है.
लेकिन
कहीं
फील
भी-
सेम दे रहा है.
अगर फील वो है कि हाँ ये भी रोमांस है, मैंने जो भी बनाया रोमांस है, बट वो सेम टू सेम बिल्कुल नहीं है, देन नो वन इज अ कॉपी कैट एट ऑल. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दिस बी क्लियर कि बॉलीवुड डजंट इंस्पायर फ्रॉम हॉलीवुड. हॉलीवुड मेक्स 10,000 थिंग्स व्हिच आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय अस एंड फ्रॉम अस, which is wrong.
Lastly, you both are successful as a creative person. अगर सोशली आपको कुछ सोसाइटी को देना पड़ेगा क्रिएटिव पर्सन के तौर पे, तो किस तरह सोसाइटी को गिव बैक करोगे आप लोग?
I think making in a way what we are doing also, जो गाने हैं, जो अरमान भी गा रहा है with others, जो म्यूजिक मैं बना रहा हूँ, that helps a lot of people break away from their daily life. आज लोगों के 9 to 5 जॉब्स है, जब वो एक अच्छा गाना सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है यार दिन अच्छा जा रहा है, अच्छा गाना सुना, तो वो एक तरीके से एक देन है टूवर्ड्स देम. वी आर मेकिंग म्यूजिक फॉर ऑल यू गाइज टू एंजॉय, नॉट फॉर म्यूजिक दैट मैं अपना गाना बना के खुद ही डांस करूँगा. दैट्स नॉट द मोटिव, इज टू मेक पीपल हैप्पी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इफ आई वुड लव टू बी पार्ट ऑफ charitable organizations, do some shows for charity, raise some funds
And
for kids.
sing for the underprivileged.
Yeah, उन लोग के लिए I would love to go to a school and perform for them, me and Arman both. So वैसे if someone would want us to come anywhere to do that, we're always ready.
Thanks for your
Thank you.